Good morning, children. Today we will study about the molecular masses. I think you know about the molecules. Molecules are formed when elements combine in the definite ratio of their masses. That means a molecule is having a definite formula. So when the formula is written, for example, water, H2O having 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. That shows the composition of hydrogen and oxygen. So when we find out the molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule of that compound. Thus, it is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atom and then adding them together. For example, methane CH4 having 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. 1 atom of hydrogen weighs 1 gram and 1 atom of carbon weighs 12 gram. So the total mass will be 16 because there is 12 gram of carbon and 4 gram of hydrogen. These are some other examples for the molecular mass calculation. For the water, the H2O, the formula is H2O. And in this, the 2 gram hydrogen and 16 gram oxygen is there. So molecular mass will be 18. Now here I have done one mistake. You write the formula H2O. Now for the carbon dioxide, the formula is CO2 that contains 12 gram of carbon and 32 gram of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 32, so total is 44. Now for the glucose, C6H12O6 contains 6 atom of carbon, 12 of hydrogen and 6 gram of oxygen. The molecular mass is equal to 180. Now gram molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance expressed in gram is called 8 gram molecular mass or gram molecule. So gram molecular mass or gram molecule is equal to molecular mass expressed in gram. For example, when we express the mass of water molecule, then it will be represented as 18 gram, that is gram molecule or gram molecular mass. For carbon dioxide is the molecular formula CO2 and its molecular mass is 44. When it is represented 44 gram, then it will be the gram molecular mass of the carbon dioxide. And similar way, we can say for the glucose is 180 gram is the gram molecular mass of the glucose. So this is for the molecular mass. Now we'll do some example to calculate the molecular mass. Calculate the gram molecular mass of sugar having molecular formula C12H22O11. Clear? So you can find out the 12 into atomic mass of carbon, that is 12. Molecular mass of hydrogen will be 22 and that is multiplied by 11, and the atomic mass of oxygen will be 11 into 16 gram. So the molecular mass will come 342 gram, that is the gram molecular mass. So next is the 1 gram molecule of sugar 342 gram. So you have to calculate the mass of 0.5 gram molecule of sugar. So you multiply it by the 0.5, then you will get 171 gram, and that is the half molecular mass or half gram molecular mass of the sugar, because we are taking only 0.5 gram molecule of it. Now third is gram molecule of sugar in 547.2 gram. Now 342 gram of sugar is 1 gram molecule. So 547.2 will be 1 upon 342 into 547.2 is equal to 1.6 equal to 1.6 gram molecule of sugar.